Welcome to this video on PCB design. We will cover the foundational concepts of printed circuit boards, taking you through the process from initial schematic capture to physical manufacturing. What exactly makes up a printed circuit board? Let's explore the core concepts. A standard PCB is a multi-layered sandwich. It consists of a rigid FR4 substrate, conductive copper foil, a protective solder mask, and a silkscreen layer for labels. Components can be mounted using two main technologies: through-hole technology, which uses leads inserted through drilled holes, and surface mount technology, where components are soldered directly to pads. Now let's look at the standard design workflow, moving from an initial electronic concept to finalized fabrication files. The design process follows four key steps: schematic capture, component placement, routing and design rule checking, and finally, Gerber generation for manufacturing. Schematic capture is the first step. Here, we define logical connections using nets, assign symbols to physical footprints, and generate a net list. Design rule checks are vital. They verify clearances to prevent shorts, confirm trace widths for current requirements, and ensure no nets remain unrouted. Physical elements of the board design include 3D visualization to check for collisions, the use of vias to connect layers, and the silkscreen layer for identification. Designing for manufacturability is key. Adhering to standard specifications, like 6mm minimum traces, helps keep costs down and ensures a higher manufacturing yield. Finally, the industry has seen a massive shift towards surface mount technology over the past 40 years, driven by the need for miniaturization and assembly efficiency.